I promise that the ending always stays the same, so there's no...
What's up guys, today we're going to be making Nutella marble fudge with just 3 ingredients. Add condensed milk and white chocolate to a saucepan and stir on a low heat until thick and smooth. Add your Nutella and swirl it through a couple times but don't mix it in. Pour the mix into a lined baking tray and smooth it out, then refrigerate for at least 3 hours. And that's it, enjoy! Here's how to make a super easy Biscoff and Nutella cookie lasagna. Whisk double cream and icing sugar to soft peaks, then add a layer of cookies to your dish. Scoop on half the whipped cream and smooth it out, then drizzle over melted Nutella and melted Biscoff spread. Add another layer of cookies followed by the rest of the whipped cream. Then dollop on more Nutella and more Biscoff spread. Swirl it through with a knife, then sprinkle cookie crumbs around the edge. Place a cookie in the middle, then refrigerate overnight. Enjoy! Here's how to make super soft Oreo cheesecake cookies. Whisk together melted butter and sugar until light in color. Then add 1 egg and vanilla and whisk until combined. Add plain flour, corn flour, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda and salt and fold until just combined. Then roughly crush up about 6 Oreos and fold them into the mix. Refrigerate the dough, then roll it into balls. Place on a baking tray and press down gently. Bake in the oven, then let them cool. For the icing, whisk together softened butter, cream cheese and vanilla until smooth, then gradually whisk in the icing sugar. Pipe it onto your cookies and smooth it out, then top with crushed Oreos, and that's it. Enjoy!
Now it's time to say